The first thing you're going to do is just grab this frame. I got this from Dollar Tree, and I got these balls as well from there. I'm going to put the link if you want to order online. Then I went ahead and grabbed my hot glue, and I'm going to put it up on the ball, and then I'm going to attach it to the frame just like that. And then I'm going to take another ball and attach it. You're going to do 2 and 3. And for the third one, you have to make sure to line them up straight together, because if it's not going to look right. So make sure all the line match, and make sure it's just straight one to each other, just like that. Then once you do that, you're just gonna go ahead and spray paint it. After you spray paint it, you're just gonna go ahead and attach your glass to the top of your ball, just like that. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turned out. It came out so cute and looks so perfect on my table. And you could do it in gold, or you can leave it in white. It's up to you. For the next DIY, I just grabbed one of those little candle holder. I'm gonna put some hot glue all the way around it, and then I'm gonna take my floral foam and attach it to the candle holder, just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab a few of these branches as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it through it, and I'm gonna do one on each side. And then after I do one on each side, I make sure I put it all the way inside like that, and then I'm gonna fix it so it can look pretty. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do it in the middle so it won't look as empty in that side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do it in the other side as well. Then I went ahead and grabbed some flour. I'm using a pin. You could always just attach it with hot glue if you would like, but I think it's easier to do it this way. Then I went ahead and attached my 2 flowers, and then I'm gonna turn it around, and I'm gonna do the same thing in the other side. Put the thing and put flowers so it can look the same way. Then just fix it around, spread it around so it can look cute and to whoever you like it. Then I got this candle holder, and I'm gonna put 2 of them on top with the candles. And then I got these little cute roses. I'm gonna go ahead and attach it to all around it, and put a few things, flowers, to make it look cute. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. When I'm telling you, it came out so beautiful. I think this will look great on a wedding and a party. You could do it anything. It's just beautiful. For the next DIY, I just grabbed two of this little ball and a clear one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and first put some hot glue on the first ball, just like that, all the way around it, and then attach the other one to the top of that one. Then after you do that, you're just gonna go ahead and take another hot glue, and you're gonna attach the other one that we spray painted in white, as you can see, and attach it to the bottom. Then I took this string that they have in Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it all the way around. So you're just gonna go ahead and continue putting it, put some hot glue, and then attach it all the way around. We're gonna do that to that size, and we're also gonna do it to the top, just like that. Then after we're done with that, we're just gonna go ahead and take some foam board, and we're gonna go ahead and attach it to the thing, and we're gonna place the flower inside. In here, you can either attach the flower with hot glue if you want for better attachment. And this is how cute, you guys, it turned out. Super cute. I love how it looks. I hope you guys like it. Please let me know what you guys think and which one is your favorite of all the DIYs. For the next DIY, make sure to grab a clear container instead of the green, a candle holder, and spray paint it just like that. Then I went ahead and grabbed some hot glue, and I'm going to attach it all the way around it, and then place your container on top and attach it in place. After you do that, you're just going to go ahead and grab your flower and place it however you would like inside. And I will put the link down below where you can get beautiful flower as well if you want to check it out. So after you do that, this is how cute everything turns out. I hope you guys like it. Please do not forget to comment down below letting me know which one of all of them is your favorite. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.